What's up, Grumpy Nation? Grumpy Nation. See my wood pile, y'all? Remember I told you, scrap material is your friend. And that's cedar wood right there. See all that? I cut that down probably 6 months ago. No rot. See, that cedar don't rot. So that's free material that grow up on my property. See that lumber there? That stuff I done picked up off the side of the road. Treated lumber. So let me show you what's happening this morning, y'all. Y'all say hi to the chicks. Oh yeah, them roosters, boy. They about ready for the freezer, Jack. Watch out there now, turkey. So y'all see, I got my started laying out them posts for my new pen. That's the cedar post right here, y'all. For some cedar trees I cut down on the property. Scrap material is your friend. But and out the new the fence post for the new pen. So just giving y'all an update. Remember, like I told you, the fall season, I didn't do no more planting this season because you know, I had to get to this. I ain't get a chance to get to the animal side. I want y'all to start seeing that, you know, because it's more to homestead than just, you know, the gardening. So I had to put a pause on that to the spring, so we can start getting this, you know, these pens set up for the rest of these critters. Y'all kind of see that fence line better now, right? So just got it laid out. Just got to set it with the concrete, but I wanted y'all to get a good idea of what the new pen gonna look like. So I'm probably gonna put the pigs in here so they got plenty of room, because I'm gonna grow them boys out full size this time. We going about 200, 225. So this the new pig pen. They got shade right here. Gonna be a nice little spot. Put the finishing touches on the new pen. Let me show you what we ran into. So remember I showed y'all I had some of this, my partner gave me some of this old chain link fence. But I thought it was 100 feet of it, but it wasn't number like 50 feet of it. Let me back up so you can see. So I had to run out, me and Mama Grumpy ran out. We gonna finish off the other 70 feet. Right? But Grumpy, why are you showing us this? You already showed us that. You're right. This is what I really want to show you though. Okay. Your fencing is very, very, very important. Okay? And it's a lot of different kinds. See, this is, stiff stay knot, right? See? It's knotted and like wrapped around and braided, right? Same thing up. So they got another type. It's called welded wire. Let me show you what welded wire would look like. See them squares? See how right here they just got a little weld on each piece and it's going across. See that line going across there? That's just like welded on like a little piece of, you know what a weld is. It's not really, it can just break off. Just like that piece right there. It can just break off. You see this stuff right here? See, it's wrapped on each line. Hold on. See each up and down line right there, like that? It's wrapped around like that, like that. You see what I mean? So that way it can't just snap off. It make your fence stronger. Y'all get what I'm saying? Y'all get it. You want me to show you one more time? See, it's wrapped. Not just tacked on like this. that you can just pop that off. Okay. See, them little jokers there, they little, but you need that strong stuff like this. Cause they real strong. They can just pop through that if they feel like it. So that's why I'm showing you the fencing and putting up the fencing, because it's important. You don't want to have to be chasing down your critters, man. Especially them little pigs. They got them big bellies, but them jokers, they quick, boy. Talking about it. You ain't gonna catch them. You just gotta wait till they get hungry again and try to ease them back in there. So we gonna go ahead and put the, and then I'll show you the ending. The finished product, Grumpy Nation. So we added, what I said, 70 feet long, 40 feet wide. 2,800 square feet. It is, the new pen is completed. We gonna put about 2 more of them little pallet houses in there, and we'll get the rest of the critters in. All right, y'all. That's how you put your new corral in. Grumpy Homestead style.